Meaning of happy-clappy.
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 Happy-clappy. The term happy-clappy is used to describe a style of religious worship that is characterized by enthusiastic singing, clapping, and generally upbeat behavior. This kind of worship is often associated with evangelical Christianity, particularly in the United States and the United Kingdom. The term can be used in a positive or negative way, depending on the speaker's attitude towards this style of worship. Some people find it uplifting and energizing, while others find it shallow or insincere. Overall, happy-clappy refers to a particular style of religious expression that emphasizes joy and exuberance.